So I actually just made a whole video to let you guys know something exciting, and I had the camera turned the wrong way, so forgive me. This is the only part that is actually going to be pointed in the right direction. Guys, so today's super excited because we're going on a road trip. I'm heading out to the garden to take a peek because I can't believe I'm going to leave this beautiful place for 3 days. I'm seeing so many little sprouts. That makes me so happy. The things that I planted over in the keyhole, I had pretty much given up hope, but the radishes look like they have started to sprout and they're doing really good. The beets never came up, so I don't know what's up with that. And I was really looking forward to those orange beets. So crazy because we're leaving and literally the high for today is 80 degrees here, which is higher than it has been. And so I have some waterers. I'm like telling my son, please go out, and each day, because it's going to be 80 or high 70s, I need to make sure that the garden is watered while I'm gone. If you are going to the HOA this weekend, definitely let us know. And definitely if you see us, you can't really miss us. Even with a crowd full of people, you can't really miss us. Definitely say hi. I'm so excited with the thought that I'm going to meet some of you guys. I'm like so excited about that. So we are actually taking 2 of 6 daughters. So together, Faith Family Homestead and I have 6 daughters, and we're going to be bringing 2 of them with us. And so we're so excited about sharing this experience with them and doing the road trip. So this road trip is going to take about 9 hours to get from where we are in South Carolina to Virginia. And so can you say girls trip? Like, it is about to be amazing. It's so fun when you actually get to be stuck in the car with somebody who you really love and you really enjoy, and you guys have the best time and so much fun. And so I am currently waiting for Faith Family Homestead to get here, and I just had to come out here into the garden to just see what I can see and see what I can show you. No, I've not forgotten that I'm showing you greenhouse things. I know I said it was going to be this video. I did actually get the zipper for the greenhouse. It did come, but now we're leaving, and so I need to do that when we get back because I don't want to feel rushed. I want to take my time and do it right and show you guys our process. And so see what we came up with. The Family Homestead is here. Let me go and hug her for you guys. Hey girls, come here. Mia and Shiloh, are you guys ready for your trip?
Yes.
Are you so excited?
Yes.
So here she is. Here and ready. Yes. We're ready for our trip. I was just telling all the people that we're going on a trip. Yes. And we hope to see anybody who's planning to be at the HOA. We hope that they stop us and they can't miss us. Yes. So we hope to see you guys there.
Bye.
Thank you. I love your nose when you changed it.
I did.
Girls, here you go. Take the phone and tell us about your trip so far. Here you go. Hold it.
Actually,
We just saw a lot of big buildings
and trees
and mountain.
big mountains, and then Penske, and then the road, bigger buildings, and hotels. Yeah, Penske. And yeah, saw lots of forests. What? Forests. The big. Well, look at that big house. Bigger houses. Stop signs.
What are you most excited about to see during our trip or to do? or to experience? Or are you already experiencing it right now?
A roller coaster. Yeah. So
Well, we're not going to a theme park. We're going to talk about homesteading.
what's homesteading?
It's like what we do at home when we have a garden and we have animals and those type of things.
That's why it's called homesteading. Because you're at home and you're making stuff new.
Oh.
Perfect definition.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2
And
lanes
then
to
you
turn
video
slightly
it so
left to stay on US 29.
subscribe, and you get money.
Yeah, but we're on video, so actually everything's on video. Subscribe
So what do you guys want to tell the people?
It's fun.
Yeah, fun, and we're gonna sleep here, have a fun here, and do a lot of stuff here. Yeah, and eat food here.
Yummy food.
Really yummy food. Bye, subscribe.
What's up, guys? So we have finally made it to our destination. We are so excited. We're about to go get some food.
Yes.
Can't wait to eat yummy food. It's our favorite.
It's our favorite part of going places is being able to have yummy food.
Yes,
Are
try
you
new
girls
places.
ready? You girls ready to eat something yummy?
What's that?
A bug. A bug. Our kids, a bug.
So we cannot wait to share this adventure with you guys. Like I said, we hope to see some of you at the Homesteaders Invention. What?
Invention. Homesteaders of America Conference.
Yes, that.
Invention.
We hope to see you guys there, and we'll talk to you guys next time.
Bye.